the ultimate guide to the top 5 electric motorcycles that you can buy now. Number 1. Yamaha EC-05. The EC-05 is an electric scooter from the famous Japanese brand Yamaha. Yamaha is one of the largest manufacturers of motorcycles in the world. The EC-05 is created in partnership with the Taiwanese e-scooter startup Gogoro, and the scooter shares many features of the Gogoro 2, including the powertrain and batteries. The scooter has a 6,400-watt electric motor. The scooter has a top speed of 56 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 31 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds. Number 2. Honda PCX Electric. The PCX Electric has a cruising range that is sufficient for commuting to work or school, and it can run comfortably in the speed range of 20 to 50 kilometers per hour, which is commonly used in urban areas. In addition, the PCX is easy to use, with a built-in plug that allows charging while parked or with the battery removed. Number 3. S2 Del Mar. The S2 Del Mar is a street tracker style electric motorcycle that draws power from a lithium battery pack. It has 80 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds power output and can travel up to 110 miles on a single charge. Number 4. SUPER73 C1X. According to SUPER73's website, the C1X features a mid-mounted motor, but the company has not released the power output for the motor yet. The bike is expected to reach a top speed of over 75 miles per hour. Number 5. Zero FXE. The Zero FXE is a lightweight electric motorcycle that has a 7.2 kilowatt-hour motor that produces 46 horsepower and 78 pound-foot of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 in 9.2 seconds with a top speed of 98 miles per hour. Its lithium-ion battery has a range of up to 100 miles. Please subscribe to my channel for more motorcycle news.